Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
In my last episode, I had an opportunity to become a real estate agent. I'm very delighted to have the opportunity to interview David Liu, who is the 2023 top 15 Keller Williams Canada for the total number of units sold, to share with us how to become a successful real estate agent. Hi, welcome to Bubblina's Adventures. Today I'm here with Uncle David, and he's a real estate agent. I want to become a real estate agent when I grow up too, so we'll be sharing advice with you if you're a real estate agent or if you want to be a real estate agent.
So, what does it take to be a successful realtor?
I feel like you have to love what you do. If you don't really love it, you can't share advice with them either because you don't love it yourself. You have to have passion for your job. You also have to memorize what the house looks like, its most important qualities, its best parts, its worst parts, everything in between too. You also, if you don't do that, you'll be flipping through the pamphlet and those people will just think, oh my gosh, she is so bad as a real estate agent.
That was really good. I totally agree with you because you have to love your job or else it's just going to be very, very difficult. And you're going to have challenges, right? You're going to have questions. People are going to ask you. And if you're not prepared, then, people don't feel that you're professional and you don't really know what you're doing, right? So that was very good.
Since I'm not an official real estate agent yet, I just want to ask you, how should I prepare myself to become one?
I think there's a couple things, right? So to be a real estate agent, first thing is you gotta be patient, right? And you gotta listen to what other people's needs are. So that is something right now you can prepare because, to train up your patience, if you face challenges and you face difficulties, then you think of how to overcome it, right? And you listen to the parents, what their needs are. You listen to your friends, when you're doing group projects, what are their needs? Then that will, train up your skills and build up your skills as you grow older. Then of course there's real estate courses that you have to take, right? But for now, these are the soft skills that you can build up to be a successful real estate agent in the future.
Thank you for all this information. It's like I'm gaining all this information so I can become like you or better than you. I think I'm gonna become better than him. Thank you, Uncle David, for helping me have this beautiful opportunity. Also, thank you, David's team. It's been so nice to obtain all this information. I think I'll be a really good real estate agent. Team David forever!
Yeah!